Okay, so we're going to start with the hip pocket first. So this is the pieces of pattern you're going to need. So you're going to need the main bit, which is this bit, the left front trouser. So that's the bit that's got a cutout there, and it's got the bit for the fly zip. You're going to need the left pocket back, and you're going to need the left pocket bag. Those three pieces are the pieces we're going to start with. So we're going to start with this piece first, the left pocket bag, but I'm going to put the pattern away over there and just hold the fabric. Put this away. So this is the right side of your pattern, of your fabric, and remember on the wrong side you should have a cross somewhere. So we're going to put the two right sides together now. So we're going to put the curved bits together. You see that curved bit? We're going to lay on top of this curved bit. So this is called putting the two right sides together, because on both sides you should see your X's. If you don't see your X's, then you've got it the wrong way around. So do that first. So I'm ready to go. Yes, I start and take my time and sew around this curve. Make sure that your seam allowance is always on the second line. And you see how slowly I went around and secured the edges. And then I'm going to take my scissors and just give myself a few snips where the curves are. Anytime you have curves that's going to be folded back onto itself, always snip it. If the material was thicker as well, I would layer the material. Now we're going to do something called understitching. Now understitching is just a stitch that helps fold back a facing, and you would, so when you understitch, I'm just going to be stitching on the pocket bag side, and I'm stitching all the seam allowance here. I'm going to be stitching it down. And open the pocket bag as you sew. Okay, so this is my understitching. See, it's only on the pocket bag side, and it's very close to the edge, and this is what the back looks like, and I've stitched down the turning more or less. And then I'm just going to, let's cut this off, to go to the ironing board and press. This shape is ready and ready for the other piece of pattern to go on. I'll push this back a bit. So this is what it looks like on the right side, and this is what it looks like on the wrong side. So that was the pocket bag. Next we need this piece, the left pocket back. Now this piece of pattern is the back, is going to fill in this back space. So if I lay the piece down, and then there are notches, a notch at the top here that this goes to it, so I'm just going to pin that there, and there should be a notch at the side here that this bit goes to it, and it should more or less fit in. Okay, and I'm just going to put one more pin in it, and just pinning it in the middle, because I'm going to be working from the other side. So this is the other side, so I'm going to sew all the way around here to make the pocket bag, and it's only these two layers you're sewing together, not the main pants. Okay, so this is what I've done. I've sewn around the curves. That's the back, and this is the front. I think I'm going to give it a little top stitch. I'm just going to move these pins down just to give it a little something. Okay, so and I'm just going to make it as wide as the edge of the foot. Now I'm just going to sew the side and sew the top to secure this. Now this is what the finish left side looks like. So I've just sewn it across there and down there to secure the pocket.